Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the best tools for vinyl siding repair and installation, the Fpz-bd 7-inch vinyl siding removal tool. This is the ultimate zip tool for your siding projects, whether you're installing, removing, or repairing vinyl siding. So, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and efficient tool to make your siding work easier, stick around as we dive into the features and benefits of this incredible product. First off, the Fpz-bd vinyl siding removal tool is made from hot-rolled steel with a galvanized powder coating. This not only adds strength but also makes it rust-resistant and corrosion-proof, which ensures a long-lasting tool you can depend on for years to come. The 7-inch tool is designed for comfort and precision, allowing you to work effectively without damaging the siding or the wall. Its extra-long anti-skid handle gives you excellent leverage and control, ensuring a smooth and effortless siding removal process. One of the best things about this tool is its practical design. The handle's non-slip texture provides a solid grip, even during extended use. This means you can work with confidence and comfort, whether you're repairing a damaged panel or removing vinyl siding to install a new one. The 7-inch steel body adds the necessary leverage for tough jobs, and because it's built to last, you won't have to worry about it bending or breaking under pressure. Now, let's talk about efficiency. This vinyl siding removal tool is designed to get the job done quickly and without hassle. Whether you're replacing a damaged piece of siding or removing panels for a complete overhaul, this tool can easily reach the top and bottom edges of the siding panels, making it a must-have for any homeowner or professional contractor working with vinyl siding. In addition to its efficiency, the tool is extremely easy to use. You can watch plenty of tutorial videos online, but even if you're a beginner, this tool will make siding removal a breeze. The package includes one vinyl siding zip tool, and it's all you need to handle those tough siding jobs. To sum it up, the Fpz-bd vinyl siding removal tool is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and easy-to-use tool for installing or repairing vinyl siding. Its sturdy construction, comfortable grip, and ease of use make it the best zip tool for your siding needs. So, if you're in the market for a vinyl siding removal tool, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews like this one. See you in the next video.